So you just got your garden in, it's edged, it's mulched, it's looking beautiful, and then the deer show up. And we have major problems around this area with deer and rabbits. I use a product called Deer Scram, and I really like it. I've used it for several years. My house borders the woods, and I even put hosta in next to the woods. And as long as I'm using this product, I can garden with whatever I want. Otherwise, you're limited to things like these boxwood, which are deer resistant, but you're very limited if you use only deer resistant plants. I want to use things like this rose bush. I want freedom to garden how I want. So Deer Scram's easy to use. It's a granular. You sprinkle it out as easy as taking a walk with it and do a border around your garden that they won't want to cross. I also every once in a while use a second deer repellent like this Bob-X right here. It does help to mix it a little bit, mix it up sometimes to the deer. This is totally organic. It won't harm any animals, any children. It's an awesome product. They also make deer Scram for cats and Scram for dogs. So these you don't have to use as long. Like the Deer Scram is every 4 to 6 weeks. This you're going to use it a few times to train the animals to stay out. For cats, you may have to replace some of the mulch because they've already scented everything, put new mulch in and put the Scram down. I also recommend these highly if you're putting new plants in because it sends out a signal immediately. This is not food, it's not for you, don't come around here. Then it's not such an uphill battle when they've already been grazing. And hey, try out some of these products because take your garden back and win that fight and have whatever you want in your garden so you can garden your heart out. Thanks for joining me. I'm Casey Kraus, your home gardener from Hillside Garden Landscaping.